Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for a Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 X-Pong。
大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. It is September and it is the month of the Full Moon Festival or the Mid-Autumn Festival. 其实在这个英文里面呢，有两种，这个跟中秋节的说法。因为中秋节嘛，就是秋天的中间嘛，所以英文呢就直译 Mid-Autumn Festival， 或者呢是 Moon Festival， 就是月亮节。Alice， 那这个客家话怎么说呢？
百年节。
百年节. And of course, during 百年节, there's a lot of activities you can do. First of all, mooncakes 要吃很多月饼，对不对？有咸的，有甜的，有冰淇淋的，有加蛋黄的，有没有蛋黄的，一大堆。快点，月饼怎么说？
捏饼。
饼。我们在干嘛？你要杀你刚变我啊？
没啦。
再一次。
捏饼。
什么？我要吃饼，是饼。
我爱让饼饼。
饼饼。Okay, cut it out. That's how you say mooncake in Hakka. It sounds like biang, but it is nye biang. You know what? There's a fruit that's very, very famous during this time of the year as well. It's called 柚子 or pomelo.
柚诶。
柚诶哦，你有没有柚诶？有柚诶，这样子吗？
柚诶，你要吃柚诶吗？我要吃柚诶。
哎，那有没有柚子呢？
有柚诶吗
See, you mo. You. Yo. I don't know. Anyways, it's a pomelo. Okay, yue. That's what it's called. And then, of course, during this festival, you want to gaze at the moon. 所以我们再蕊一下，这以前有教过了，但是还是要练习一下，复习一下月亮。
捏光。
捏光 That's right. It's not 月亮 it's 月光，是这个意思吗？月宫。
月光。
是月光。OK。
百年15看月光。
There you go. 百年15看月光。
8月15看月亮。
That's right. So that means gaze at the moon during the moon festival. 好 let's review all those terms for the Mid-Autumn Festival or Moon Festival. First of all, how do you say Mid-Autumn Festival? 八月节。
百年节。
百年节。Then how do you say 月饼 mooncakes?
捏饼。
捏饼 okay? And then how do you say pomelo 柚子？
柚诶。
柚诶。And finally, the moon 月光。
捏光。
捏光。So there you have it. That's our Hakka lesson of the day.
什么大家？
俺只是张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会独家赞助。We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.